Happy Hour crew, what's up? I'm Heather B. I'm so happy to bring you into the happy hour this season because it is all about how you can elevate your tailgate. That's what we're doing for this football season, kicking it off right. And it's all about the smoke. I want all the smoke this football season. I'm actually gonna do on my grill using the smoking pellets. I am going to do my holy smoked shrimp and scallop kebabs. I know that sounds good. I'm also doing my smoked out turkey wings with a honey bourbon sauce, and I'm doing smoky lobster sticks. It is all going down in the happy hour. Elevate your tailgate, baby. I got you. I talked about my holy smoke shrimp and scallop kebabs. Look at this. This is not the normal kebab. You see what we're doing right here? We got the jumbo, the colossal, the wild caught shrimp. We got the wild caught scallops all going right here on the grill with the smoke. And I'm just gonna lay this right here. Happy hour crew, this is what I love. When you talk about elevating your tailgating game, can you imagine when your people roll up to the tailgating party and they see these holy smoke shrimp and scallop kebabs? I mean, my goodness, this alone is worth what, 20, 30 bucks if you even tried to buy one of these. Amazing. All wild caught fish right here, taking tailgating to the next level, happy hour style. And the cool thing about it, it does not take that long to cook, and we're getting all the smoke coming from these smoke pellets. Bong. Elevate your tailgate and happy hour crew. And happy hour crew, I got a song for you. It's called Honey Bourbon Sauce. You see it? Honey Bourbon Sauce. You see it? I'm about to smack this honey bourbon sauce, homemade style, right here on these smoked out wings. I ain't gonna put the sauce on all of them because you know sometimes folks want some sauce, sometimes they don't. But it is all going down right now. Quick little hit of the sauce, 5 minutes before they about to come off this grill, smoked to perfection. Now somebody like me, I would take this wing right back here. This little dark skinned wing, this little brown shine, all right here. I'm gonna lay that with some bourbon sauce going down right here. And one more for the road. Let's get this one. Bong, bong, bong. Hit it with all that love. I put a little bit on the bone, just somebody wanna slop up and whop up. Get it right. Honey bourbon sauce, you see it? Happy hour crew, so I hope you enjoyed this, reminding you this football season to elevate your tailgate. Nothing is too much. Take it over the top. Make your tailgating party something special.